Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken biryani. It is a restaurant style chicken layered dum biryani. Chicken biryani is one of the most royal delicacies that you can enjoy on any occasion or festivals. Making of chicken biryani is very simple. Let us go to the kitchen and start the procedure. I have taken 2 kgs of basmati rice. That is 7 glasses of basmati rice. Wash the rice well till the water runs clear. Soak rice in water for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, drain and set it aside. For making a paste, I have taken half kg of garlic, 350 grams of ginger, 4 tomatoes and 5 green chilies. Grind it to a paste and set it aside. I have taken half kg of tomatoes and onions each. Take 100 grams of coriander leaves, 5 to 6 bay leaves. Take few cinnamons, cardamoms and cloves. In a thick bottom pan, heat 300 grams of cooking oil. Add sliced onions and fry evenly until it turns golden. When we add this fried onions in rice, it gives us an authentic taste. For 2 kgs of rice, I have taken 500 grams of onions. If needed, you can add 750 grams of onions. Adding more onions in rice, it gives you more taste. Now it turns golden brown, you can separate it from oil. Similarly, fry all onions. Saute well. See, the texture is really very nice. Now separate it from oil. In the leftover oil, we are going to make chicken gravy in the same pan. Now add the grinded ginger, garlic and tomato paste. Saute it on a medium flame until the raw smell goes off. Saute it well. Do not lower your stove. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now you can see the oil separates from the gravy. Now it's the time to add half kg of sliced tomatoes. Add all the tomatoes. Stir well until the tomatoes get cooked well. Now add 4 teaspoons of red chili powder. Then add 2 teaspoons of garam masala. If needed, you can add biryani masala 3 teaspoons. Mix well together. Stir well. Now add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. When the oil separates from the gravy, add the 2 kg of chickens. Mix everything well. Add required amount of salt because we have already added salt in the beginning. Mix well. After that, cover and cook on a low flame for 10 to 15 minutes for the chicken to release the moisture. While the chicken cooks, let us make the rice ready. In a big vessel, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee. In a heated ghee, add cloves, cardamoms, cinnamons and few bay leaves. Saute just for a minute without burning. Here I am adding fresh bay leaves from a garden. You can add bay leaves which is available in the market. While sauteing, don't burn the spices. Add the soaked and well-drained rice into the pot. Fry for a minute. Here I am adding hot water. I have already boiled 13 and a half glass of water. For 7 glass of rice, it needed only 13 and a half glass of water. For making of biryani, the measurement of water is very important. Add required amount of salt and now close it with a lid. And now come back to the chicken. Open the lid and see. See, the chicken is almost cooked. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir and cook well on a low flame until it becomes soft and gravy becomes thick. After 5 minutes, off the stove and set the chickens aside. Now we will check the rice. Yeah, it's boiling well. Now you can reduce the flame from medium to low. Close the lid and cook again. After 5 minutes, check the rice. Now it's being done. Stir slowly. Do not overuse your ladle. The rice is 90% cooked. Now again close the lid. Keep your stove in low flame and cook. After 5 minutes, see, the rice is completely cooked. It should be like this. The texture is also very good. Now the rice is completely ready for making layer. Set it aside. The chicken gravy is also ready and the rice is too. Take half cup of curd. Here I am using food colors. It is optional. If you want to add color then you can, otherwise you can skip this step. Mix the color with the curd. I have taken a separate big vessel. The bottom should be very thick. Let us start the layering process. I have started the layering from the gravy. Spread some gravy and now add some cooked rice on it. Spread it evenly. This is the first layer. Onto the rice, sprinkle the colored curd. Now sprinkle the fried onions on the rice and some coriander leaves. Spread it evenly. At the top, add the chicken gravy. Evenly spread the chicken gravy. Now the first layer is being done. Come to the second. Spread the rice evenly. Similarly, do the same procedure. Meanwhile, we have to make some burning coils so that we can spread the burning coils on the lid. See the color of onion. The texture is also very nice. The yellow, white and green, brown color. The second layer is also being done. This is the third and topmost layer. Spread all the rice on it. Yes. Similarly, do the same process. While selecting rice for biryani, always select a premium quality of rice. At the top layer, you can use roasted cashews and kismis. But here I did not add any dry fruits. See, the texture is very nice. I have made 3 layers and all the layers have been done well. At the top layer, you can add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Biryani, a unique recipe, one of my favorite dishes. The aroma itself makes us tempting. Many of us feel that making of biryani is very difficult. Yeah, of course. The process of making biryani is quite lengthy. If once you tried, it will be very easy in the next time of making. See the top layer, it's so good. Now close the lid. Keep the vessel on the stove. Keep your stove in a low flame and spread the burning coals on the lid Evenly spread it. Keep the biryani in dum at least 15 to 20 minutes. I have kept it for dum for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let us see what happened. Open the lid slowly. Wow, our layered dum biryani is ready. You can serve the biryani with raita. At the end of this video, you will get the ingredients page list. Do try this delicious chicken biryani recipe at your home and enjoy it with your loved ones. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Please try this recipe at your home and leave your comments in the comments box. And viewers, those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching and share this video.